Chef Jacob here with Nature's Prime Organic Foods. Today we're going to take one of our Heavenly Farms top sirloin steaks. We're going to crust it in some Cajun spices, and we're going to top it with a delicious compound butter. For our steaks, we have one of our Heavenly Farms top sirloin fillets. And to make our butter, we have 1 pound of organic butter. This is Hope butter from Minnesota, from Hope, Minnesota. We have 1 tablespoon of shallots, 1 tablespoon of fresh basil that's been minced. We have 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice here. We have 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. And we have 1/2 teaspoon each of red pepper flake, cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic or garlic powder. And then right here for the steak, this is what we will be seasoning our steak with. This is a basic Cajun seasoning of my own concoction. Alright, so we're going to start out. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take our butter, we're going to throw it in our food processor here. I'm going to break this up into a couple pieces, just like that. And give her a couple pulses here. I'm going to put the basil, the seasonings, the shallot, and the lime juice in there. I'm going to kind of push this down. Pulse that a little bit, and then we're going to put the lemon juice in. You put the lemon juice in, you're going to keep pulsing this, keep pulsing it until it's mixed, and then we're going to come back and we're going to wrap it all up. Okay, well I got the butter out of the food processor, got it all nicely incorporated, and I got the paper from the butter here. That's what I usually do. I just reuse that instead of using plastic wrap or something. You're going to kind of spread it out here. If you have to, use your fingers. Make it into a log, if you may. And then you're just going to roll it up. Just like that. You can wrap it in plastic, stick it in the refrigerator for a couple hours to harden up, preferably overnight to let the flavors meld. Now it's time to season our steak. I got that Cajun spice I made up, my own blend. Do it pretty liberally. I'm going to get a nice seasoned crust on there. This is my favorite. Great flavor out of these sirloin steaks. Alright, you're all seasoned up. Now we're going to head over to the hot pan. Alright, here we are with a hot cast iron pan. I put a very tiny bit of oil in there. Be careful, you don't want this to flame up on you. I've got our steak right here, and we're going to put this on here and sear it up. You want this to be really hot, folks. It's going to smoke up. I don't have my fan on right now, but I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to let you go, and we're going to come back when this sucker's ready. Here we are. The steak has got a nice brown crust to it. It's been resting for about 5-10 minutes. I got our butter here. I left it in the paper and cut it. Just unroll it and stick it on there. Yeah, that's a lot of butter. I think I may have put too much. Let's see what we got here. Nice. Put a little bit of that butter on there. It really doesn't get any better than that, folks. Try this at home. It's delicious.